Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. My mom is here.
Hi.
We got a box in the mail for her this time. This is from Nay-Titty, the miniature chainsaw that I tried out. They sent her one, pink.
Yeah.
She said she wanted one. They have a new model that came out and they sent it for her to try.
You do that.
The box in the box. Oops, that's all right. That's just the shipping paper. So, same thing we had before, but this one is from my mom. It's all hers. And she's going to review it.
Oh, look at even pink little latches.
Yeah, it's pink.
Oh my gosh, how cute.
I'll bring the camera over here.
Ooh.
How's it feel, Mom, to be getting a gift on video?
Pretty cool.
So there's your spare chain. I need to give you a screwdriver.
Yeah.
You got your
Even
gloves.
the batteries have got pink.
Yeah.
But there's blue glasses.
Yep, safety glasses.
Well, come on. Blue.
Yeah, well.
Somebody failed.
Oh, you got an oiler.
Ooh.
There's an oiler in this one. See that? Yeah, to keep the chain better. Lube up that chain.
This thingy.
That's your charger. We'll be getting those batteries on the charger. We have a lot to trim up here at the cabin. Mom's up at the cabin. And we'll be charging these up and we'll be using this here this weekend. She'll be putting it to use.
All right. How do you plug it in?
It'll go in right here.
Right where?
Right there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, that'll go in there. I don't know if these do they have a power
So
indicator?
what's all this little dooflicky stuff?
Oh, I'll show you when you get that far.
Oh, okay.
If you take the chainsaw out of the bag, and I'll show you how that goes together. I'll catch all that stuff. The wind is blowing things around.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that nice? It feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Feels really good in the hand. That wind is pretty bad up here at the cabin. So now, take one of your batteries, and you can see it slides in this way, like this, and pop it on in there. You see how it slides in?
No.
Okay, let me see. Try not to kick my camera, watch. Put this in here,
Oh, okay.
give it a pop, and then to remove it, that's what that button is. And you slide it out, see?
All right.
Yep. Now, the rest, people, we're going to do off scene. Mom wants some safety learning information before she pushes that button. So we'll be back in a little bit. So she's cut a few. I'm going to hold this one for her. I got the branch. Don't worry about the branch. You just do, yeah. There you go. How's it feel?
Good.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Wow.
That's a really good tool to have around the property.
Cool.
It's neat. Oh, you got your brush pile there.
Yeah.
So we're doing some desperately needed trim in here so it doesn't hit our heads. The trees grew over pretty far this year. In the past couple years, I should say. This is something we needed. Easy to use, right?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
It's amazing. It's got power.
It's very nice.
It's really awesome.
The only thing that is a little getting used to is the fact that I'm left-handed. It's made for right-handed.
Yeah.
But once you know what to do, you can get past that, and it works like a charm.
Yeah, I showed Mom how I use my finger and wrap it around the safety button. It's pretty much made for right-handed, but I use it and she's using it. I showed her what to do and no problem.
Yeah.
Yep.
Easy peasy.
There, now she's getting the hang of it. Look at that. That little one on the bottom. There's
It's
that.
gonna get addictive. I can be on for things to cut.
It's fun. It is fun. She's literally walking around looking for stuff to trim. That's a bigger one for her.
Oh, I'm caught on that. That's why. Oh, I think there's something in there.
Yeah, that one's just a rubbery one. But it's fun. So my sister's trying it, and you want one, don't you?
I want one.
So what were you?
One.
Yeah, what were you saying now?
So I have carpal tunnel.
Yeah.
So I have this little bubble right here, and these 2 fingers were broken all the way down at the base. I don't have a lot of strength or grip to this, but this is not a problem.
It's great, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, it's so easy.
It is.
And it's not like work. It's like
It's fun.
Yeah.
Everybody loves it. So I've showed her how to do it. And
Yeah, there's nothing to it.
they're all just cutting everything up, cleaning up the property.
We're gonna be cleaning up the woods.
Yeah, it's great. It's really good. Anybody can use it. Anybody can use it. So easiest way to sell this is to let somebody try it, right?
Yeah, for sure.
it's addictive.
It's a sell.
And it's not something that, like, it's not intimidating.
No, it's
because
very
of the
light.
size.
It's comfortable.
No,
I would never use a regular chainsaw.
and I know this sounds silly, but being pink actually made me feel more comfortable using it because it was kind of girly.
More comfortable, yeah. That makes it
Yeah.
more comfortable looking. Well, guys, I got to get carrying this all away while the girls cut that stuff up. Well, guys, there you have it. There's the Natity pink chainsaw set. It is really cool, and the ladies love it very much. I have a feeling this is going to sell quickly, especially among my family members. Well, please like this video. Check the links down below and get yourself one. Thanks for watching. Talk to you all later.